Hey guys, it's Jojo here with another video, and today I'll be making pancakes. So, okay, gently crack, crack an egg. So we need to crack some eggs here. Don't spill everywhere. Don't spill everywhere. Am I gonna have to redo that? Okay, I need to redo that. Crack. Okay, I need to redo this entire thing because I will not live with getting a bad grade on pancakes, okay? Pancakes, oh my gosh. Pancakes are extremely easy to make. And, okay, so it doesn't give me the redo option, so I must not have done that bad. So, what is this? This? Yay. Okay, that's that. That is this. Yeah. That is this. Oh, that's this. Buttermilk. Coolness. Alright, spread the butter. Spread the butter. Wait, what do we do? Oh, we do this. Okay. Yay. Okay, flip the pancakes. Oh, crap. This is going to be a big fail. A huge fail, may I say. Okay. Oh, I have to catch it again. There it goes on the plate. Okay, so 3 times. This is 1, 2, 3. Aw, crap. My mouse wasn't working right. I probably shouldn't say crap in my videos. Probably shouldn't do that, Jordan. But I just did it, so sorry to the young ones. Okay. I've been trying to stop, but it's just like a thing now. Just a thing. Okay. Oh, a C+. Cool this. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to end this episode here. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit that button, subscribe, make Pineapple very happy if you didn't already, and all that other fun stuff. Bye, guys. Jojo out.